Okay, Adriana. So the first thing says D is between E and C. So I'm just drawing a line with D between E and C, right? And then it says C is between E and G. All right, so C is between E and G. So now I'm going to extend this out here, and I'm going to put G here. So now C is between E and G, okay? So now that C is between E and G, it says B is between C and D. All right, here's C and D, and I'm going to put B in between C and D. Okay. All right. It says now DB equals BC equals CG. All right. So now I put G way too far because that means I need to put G like here. Okay? So I'm going to put G there and erase the rest of this. Hopefully that makes sense. Because it says this is equal to this is equal to this. Those slash marks mean equal. Okay? Now it says DC is 18. Okay. DC from here to here is 18. Okay? And then it says EB from here to here is 13. EB is 13. Okay. Now that being the case, that means that if these are all equal, this must be 9. DB is 9, BC is 9, CG is 9. Right? And if this from E to B is 13 and this part is 9, then this guy has to be 4, right? Because 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay? That's that part. So that takes care of 10, 11, and 12. Then it says, name the angle using 3. Oh, you said you know 13. Okay. Draw a sketch and solve for X. Okay. R is on the interior of angle PSQ. So here's PSQ. All right, I'm going to put PSQ. R is in the interior, so I'm just going to put R there. It's a point. R. Okay? So that means if R is in the interior here, I've now got another ray here, okay? So it says RSQ is 33 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 33 degrees here, okay? It says QSP is this entire angle here. QSP is that whole angle, and that whole angle is 9x minus 2. 9x minus 2 is the whole angle. QSP, okay? And 9x minus 2. RSP is 3x plus 7. RSP. This piece, just this piece here. RSP is 3x plus 7. Okay? So now it says solve for x. Here's what you do. All right? It just means that this plus this equals this whole thing. So I say this. I say 3x plus 7 plus 33. This plus this equals this whole thing, which is 9x plus 2. 9x minus 2. Okay, like that. Okay, so I'm going to combine 7 and 33. 7 and 33 is 40. So I got 3x plus 40 equals 9x minus 2. You probably know what to do from here. I'm going to minus 3x from both sides. I'm going to minus 3x. I'm going to minus 3x. I get 40 equals 6x minus 2. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I get 42 equals 6x. I divide by 6. X equals 7. Boom. There you go. Hope that helps.